Everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is the third part, how to create a rope following a curve. You may have to scale the rope up or down by pressing S in object mode. So we are in object mode like this. Select the rope that you have created in previous part. Then just let's scale it and see what we have. And you can see that this effect, it's amazing. It's gonna be following the curve that you have created earlier. Then move it along the z-axis by pressing G and Z. So just want to scale it like this, tiny bit, and you can also scale the curve. So let's zoom out just tiny bit. So select the rope, then let's scale it like this. As you can see here, when trying to select the curve, the rope, and G and Z, and move it like this, G and Z, move it like this. This curve is gonna be following. It's gonna be following this. The rope is gonna be following the curve, and you may have to increase or decrease the iterations accordingly. So just go over iterations. You can increase the number of iterations like this, as you can see here in our tutorial. You can also scale just tiny bit, scale it in order to match this to the ends of this curve, and you have created this shape for the rope. It's gonna be following the curve. And that's it for this tutorial. I hope you enjoyed watching this tutorial. Try to make it yourself. Thanks for watching.